What's up, everyone? It's your boy, Kelmis Rocco Johnson here with another video. Now, if you know from, watch my videos on YouTube or from what I'm about to tell you right now, there we go, that lighting looks a lot better. It's really hot though. But anyway, Mystique here has an exhaust leak. And I'm about to go to see if I can get someone to fix it. The leak is like in between the mid pipe and the catback. I can hear it. It like rattles the gasket in it, and it's just unbearable, and it just makes it sound like my car's broken. Excuse me, but yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. And the moment I open this door, I know it's gonna be really hot. But yeah. So we're just gonna go to some shops that are like up the. Oh my God, it's hot. That are like up the street from me. To see, I don't have an appointment or anything like that, so it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. But oops, sorry about that, camera's all on my face. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna start it real quick, but let's see if you can hear the gasket rattling. It's probably not gonna do it because I just mentioned it, but yeah. Nothing. It's not even doing it right now. Yeah, see? Because I just mentioned it, it's not even gonna do it right now. It's really loud. I don't even think you can hear me right now. But yeah, whatever. I promise you, there's an annoying rattle. I promise you that. Alright, so before we get rolling, the first place we're gonna go to is ATO Autosports, which is actually the place where I got my full boiler system put on and my engine intake, and they did stuff for me before on some of my other cars. And they also worked on a lot of my other homeboys' cars, like the EcoBoost Mustang that I had reviewed. They put his exhaust on, and they also put on the guy from like my videos way back in the day with the red Mustang. They put on his exhaust too. But yeah, I don't even know if they would fix an exhaust leak because they're not like it's hard to explain. It's like they're a performance shop and everything like that. But I just don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna find out. All right, so quick update on what I just did just now. So I'm leaving from ATO. They told me they weren't, able to, well, they could do it, but I'd be better off going to another place only because, like, since they don't necessarily like do all the time, like specialize in or anything like that, they don't necessarily have like gaskets, just random gaskets on hand. So that's basically like, what they told me to do. Like basically they just don't have random gaskets and all that kind of stuff on hand to fix the exhaust leak. So I was recommending, go to another place that going to now. I'm gonna try this place out. But I mean, ATO is still a great place. Again, I got my exhaust and intake done there. A couple of buddies of mine got their stuff done there and everything. And yeah, so if you're in the Towson area, Joppa Road, all that kind of stuff, ATO Autosports, or you can look them up on Facebook or Instagram. But yeah, so let's keep going. All right, so I'm happy. So I ended up going right down the street from ATO Autosports, and actually I'm right down the street from where we have the car meet set and everything. And I'm here at unroll muffler and brake, and basically I just went in and I was like, hey, I think I have an exhaust. Oh, camera was in a weird position. Hey, I have an exhaust leak. I mean, I think it's between the mid pipe and the catback. And they're like, okay, it's free service just to look at it and everything. I've never been here before or anything like that, so that's cool. That was free for them to just look at it and everything. And it ended up being some of the bolts weren't tight, and I need a new gasket. But they just put on there and they were like, yeah, it's free of charge and everything like that. which was great. So yeah, my exhaust leak is hopefully gone for good and everything. Tell you what, I'll go in another parking lot and I'll do some little revs and everything to see if it's really gone. All right, so I drove right down the street. I'm just in like a Walmart parking lot real quick, but it even sound like I can already tell, you know, everything's all tightened up and everything. Sorry about that. Everything's all tightened up and everything, cause I mean, it even sounds different. It has like a more deeper tone to it than what it even had before, which is crazy. But yeah, I'll go ahead and put the camera down so you can hit exhaust while I rev it real quick. Now I don't have my my little like camera stand mount thingy, whatever you call it. I can't even think of it. The tripod. I don't have the tripod with me right now, so I'm gonna just have to put on the ground. But let's listen. I think I pressed the zoom a little bit, but yeah, I didn't rev it that much just now, just because I'm in, you know, this parking lot. There we go, that's better lighting. Just because I'm in this parking lot and everything, but I mean it sounds so much better. I'm really happy now. Now I won't get that annoying ass rattle that it used to. It just ping 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 ping. It just, I mean, it was just the gasket rattling, but yeah. So I'm that's pretty much gonna end it for this video. You stay classy. Have a good day. Stay positive. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.